Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily create a bootable SD card for this Linux distribution. To begin, open your browser and type centos.org and hit enter. As a next step, you want to check CentOS or Cent Operating System stream and you want to click on download. At this stage, you will have several options, one for Intel and AMD processors, one is for ARM processors, IBM, etc. So I will choose this first one for Intel and AMD, and I will click on ISO option. Usually the download will take between 4 to 5 minutes and it should initiate directly. And once done, you should find CentOS-stream-the latest version. You should find it in your download folder. And it's an ISO format and it's ready to be used. To begin, we are going to download Rufus software. So in the browser, type Rufus and hit enter. At this stage, click directly on Off Downloads under the Rufus website. Wait few seconds and it will be redirected to this page. Here, there will be several options. However, we are going to select the one compatible with Windows, the one which we can run on Windows. It ends with this extension, exe. For Linux or for Mac, you will have different options. So we're just going to select the first one. If you are not able to reach here, just go back to the website, type on the title or the name of the website, scroll down, and here you will be able to download. So we are going to download the standard version. You can also get the portable version. It goes back to the same. Once the download is completed, just click on it and double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The software will take a few seconds and then it should appear on the desktop. We're just waiting. Yeah, here it comes. It might take a few seconds. And here we have Rufus ready to be used. Step, make sure to select the correct storage device if it's a USB flash drive or an SD card. Make sure to click on select. Locate your distribution, in this case CentOS Linux distribution. Double click on it. It will open. Leave all these settings by default and make sure that your storage device is empty. It doesn't contain any data because it's going to be formatted. Click start. Select the recommended settings and click OK. The image uses non-standard. Okay, I'm just gonna click yes. Gonna click again OK for the formatting. And we're going to wait. Usually this process passes smoothly and allows us to go to the next step, and usually takes like 3 to 4 minutes, not longer. However, if you face any errors, just leave us a comment with the error code and we'll do our best to help you. At this stage, since it's a straightforward and automated process, I'm gonna just pause the video here and I'm gonna take back once it's done to show you what to click next. At this stage, the process has been completed. We can click close. We're going to open the PC shortcut. We're going to locate our device, and as you can see, it's been named CentOS STRE. Double click on it. And here we will have all the files from the ISO. So our USB flash drive or SD card is ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.